Hey y'all, how about today? Actually, wait, back up, rewind. There's this place in Arkansas called Stovies, and it's like by the college in Conway, and they are known for their cheese dip, their queso, and it is phenomenal. Totally not plant-based and vegan. I've mastered it, I've recreated it. Only it's plant-based, whole food, oil-free, and yummy, 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 yummy. Let's begin. Hey y'all, how about today? Plant-based foodies on. How to make them. Let's begin. Okay, to begin with, to make this yummy, yummy queso, you have to hit the subscribe button. That's how we're gonna begin it. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Okay, then, after you subscribe, go soak yourself 3/4 of a cup of cashews. These are raw, unroasted, unsalted cashews that I just dumped everywhere. You're gonna soak them for at least 30 minutes in boiling water because you really want this smooth. And so the longer you soak it, the smoother it'll be. 3/4 of a cup of cashews. This is about a teaspoon of chilies. The chipotle chili pepper and the adobo sauce. Really, it's about 1 pepper I just dug out of the can. This is 1 clove of garlic that's just been minced. You don't have to mince it since it goes in a blender, but you know, old habits die hard. This is 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. This is one of our very favorite cheeses. It's different than our other cheese that we make. It's better, not better. It's as good, if not better, but it's different. It has a different flavor profile. So this is about 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder and some salt to taste. I don't know, that's maybe 1/2 teaspoon, 1/2 and 1/2 roughly. Because you can add more, but you can't take away. We're gonna put all this in there. Then, this is 3/4 of a cup of just water. That's it, y'all. And then we're just gonna, we'll put that. Blend it up till it's all smooth. Okay, so doesn't take long because if you really, really soak your cashews, it only takes like a minute. And you know, the NutriBullet heats up as it goes, so it does kind of steam some. Scrape all this out. There you have it, yummy, yummy queso with some chips, or put it with a dish if you're gonna have like tacos or whatever. Unlimited possibilities. But there you have it, yummy, vegan, plant-based, whole food queso. So good, so easy. So be sure to like and subscribe and share and try the recipes. Be blessed, y'all.